Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to create a link on Google Meet using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for meet.google.com. Okay, so you can see that here on my search bar. So just go ahead and click on enter. So now you want to click on the new meeting button. So you can choose if you want to create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. Okay. So for example, you're just gonna click the start an instant meeting. Okay. So here, as you can see, I already created a meet, right? So here at the left side, you can see the link, right? So if you click on this really two little box here, you want to click on that to copy the meeting link, and you can um paste that on your conversation with your friends so that they can join the meet. Okay, so here at the right side, you can see the host controls, the activities, chat with everyone, so you can chat here with everyone, show everyone, and here you can see who joined your meet. Okay, so here in meeting details, you can see the link of the meeting that you created. Okay, so that's it. That is how you create Google Meet using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.